These are the most important environment subject topics for the UPSC Prelims Examination 2025. From ecology, the most important topic is nitrogen cycle and the term funga. Other topics can be coral bleaching, mangroves, carrying capacity. Next, from pollution, the most important topic is rat hole mining, water pollution, COD, BOD and caliform level. Even the concepts like biomagnification can come. Then guys, ship dismantling, pollution and Basel Convention. Then questions regarding landfills, biomining. Then questions can be around e-waste. Next, from biodiversity section, questions can be on Humboldt's enigma and biodiversity gradient. Next, Wallace line, digital sequence information, biopiracy, global nature conservation index, post 2020 biodiversity framework. From laws, Water Act, Energy Conservation Act, Forest Conservation Act, Wildlife Act is very important. Even the concept of green steel is very important. Green steel taxonomy is very important. Then from agriculture, bio E3 policy, nitrogen use efficiency, natural farming, conservation farming, ethanol, carbon sequestration. Species guys, I have prepared a list of species. You can see, have a look at it. This year we can expect question on crocodiles and gharials. That is very important. Then Nilgiri tahar, then blackbuck and chinkara, then hullock gibbons, then in Great Indian bustards, vultures, dolphins, giant leather turtle, Oliver Ridley turtle, wild ass. These are some important topics. There are some other topics also which I have listed which are not that important, but you have to go through it. Next, in protected area, you can get a question on mangroves, list of mangroves in various states, OECMs, Sigur Corridor, Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary, Simplipal Tiger Sanctuary, Holong Gibbon Sanctuary, Sariska, Rolapadu, Nagarjuna State Asylum Tiger Reserve, Campbell National Park, Galathea National Park and Mauling National Park. There are some other protected areas you can go through. Then from climate change, you can get question on carbon intensity, coral bleaching. Then planet boundaries, very important. You can get a question on planet boundaries. Next, as far as environmental conventions are concerned, you can get question on COP29, COP28. Many initiatives were taken up. Then COP16 of UNCCD is very important. Guys, please do prepare UNCCD and UNCBD. That is also very important. Cali Fund and DSI is a very important topic. Then in reports, UNEP Nexus report is very important.